Epsilon 144. I just updated the FL Studio to the newest one, Epsilon Studio 2024. And this video is going to show you how to record vocals using a microphone. The microphone needs to be connected with an audio interface. Make sure phantom power is on. It's the plus 48V. It's usually a switch on the back of the audio interface or a button. A red light will show up when that's on, because most condenser microphones don't power themselves. They have to be powered by what's called phantom power, so make sure that's on. In terms of audio settings, primary sound driver is what I'm using right now, but also your audio interface, right? Behringer. So I'm using the Behringer. Now you're seeing the connection in FL Studio up here for microphone input. Alright, and then all you do is very simple, very simple. There's a red record button right here. You also see the signal here in the record track. All you do is hit the record, and you can do either playlist as an audio clip or into Edison. Playlist is probably preferred option because it goes directly into this big playlist right here, and you just start talking and you'll see the sound, the waveform recording your audio. So this is being recorded into FL Studio. You can sing, do vocals, record instruments, whatever you want to do. If you have older instruments that need mic'd, you can mic them and record directly into FL, and you have this giant waveform going in and you can listen to it. I gotta switch back to primary, but this is being recorded into FL Studio. You can sing, do vocals, record instruments, whatever you want to do. If you have older instruments that need mic'd, you can mic them and record directly into FL, and you have this giant waveform going in and you can listen to talking. So yeah, now you have this. You can do whatever you want with it. You can chop it up, right? Make little snippets. You can add effects. Here, I'll show you a quick effect. You can turn the video off now if you want. That's the gist of it. But if you want to see how to add effects to that vocal track, I will show you. So you have just this, right? It's a random little fucking clip, but come into the mixer and you can do the recording track here, I believe, or channel routing. Alright, there we go. The recording is now routed to this track in the mixer, and you can put an EQ on it. So talking and you'll see the sound. Talking and you'll see the so you can sound. Edit the frequency in the EQ. Talking. You can add reverb to it. Talking and you'll see the sound. Talking and you'll see the sound. Alright, so pretty self-explanatory. You can edit the dry vocals, which is without effects, add effects to them to make them wet over your beat and everything, and there you go. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will get back to you. I'm back now, by the way. I was in the Marine Corps for 5 years and I just got out, so I'm back. I'm gonna start working on some stuff along with some other things and everything. So yeah, thank you. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Peace.